Welcome to another amazing 5-minute auto pairing. enginethecat. enginethecat. Okay. Interesting. From Cyprus. Playing like this. Comes back E5, it's giving me a nice space thing, surely. Looks a bit like passive French defense in some respects. Maybe not so passive now. Bishop F2, Bishop G2. Okay, rook e1, this backward pawn here looks like something to do in the position. Knight d4, again on the pawn. Okay. Go and just double on this e-file. Rook e2, rook e1. There's bishop f6 happening. On queen b6, is that boring? There's a small advantage there. I go back and exchange off the dots with bishops or something. Try and keep this pawn backward. Let's try and keep a lock on e5. So double. And bishop e5 if knight f5. Oh, this diagonal's dangerous anyway, I can't do this. It's always dynamics, have to factor in the dynamics, can't do this. Not so easy. Okay, so what about just going for an exchange sack to win one pawn, maybe two later with rook e1. Yeah, putting me on the defensive. Okay. Alright, if I take where can my knights go? b3 first, maybe? Or knight f2 to d3. Oh, actually, knight f2 to d3 to e5. Looks like nice positional bind. I just need that nice positional bind. King G2 H4, trying to just get a grip on things. Right, you lock down the kingside pawns with H5. Okay, some activity there. We'll take that. It's opening up my bishop. Knight B4, C6. If A5 Knight C6. Knight C6 coming up. Right. So I can actually forcibly win a pawn here, almost. After all that, oh dear. Check, taking that. I don't want to cash out like that, particularly. B3, I'll take this one. Is that an improvement? I was getting short on time. Knight C6, Bishop B7, Knight E7 check. So Knight C6 to E5. Oh well, there is Knight E7, Bishop E7, or Knight takes D8. Just winning the exchange.
Check. Check.
Okay. Let's get my pawns going and stop this knight. Can't really stop that knight at the moment.
Check.
Okay. Yeah.
Check.
Right. Okay, there's Knight F5 on the card, so I have to stop that one. It's a bit naughty. Put the king over here.
Check. Check.
I could take that one. Oh, it's playing on. Okay. Yeah, it's just provisional actually. It's fourth game provisional, it's not bad. Okay. Yeah. It's I thought I had space advantage. I've got this E6 pawn, this backward pressure on the backward pawn rather. But not so easy. As you can see here, this diagonal is always something to be factored in tactically. I don't think I can. Like Bishop B6, but that's better. Look at that. Okay. The exchange set Rook E6 is mentioned with the engine here. D4, Knight D5. Yeah, if White's in the driving seat again here, it looks very, very comfortable now. Knight C5, more incisive, going for that pawn there. I can just take that pawn. B3 is actually mentioned to exchange off basically A3 for A5. I wonder why that's. Yeah, Okay, he's in a difficult position there. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, if we just go back from here, yeah, I think he was in a difficult position after that. Knight B7 business. So rook, after knight C6, rook F8, or rook A2. Oh yeah, okay, I've got a pawn anyway. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.